I'm sure you've come across this situation before, when you purchased a brand new smartphone and you are enjoying it for what it is. You are enjoying its features, its experience, and you're overall happy with the smartphone, when suddenly your smartphone manufacturer pushes out an update that sort of drops the performance or causes extra battery life drain, or let's say introduces a bunch of bugs that ruins the experience, and worst of all, takes away features that were previously present in your phone. For example, Samsung, since the June 2022 security patch, has removed access to the network band selection menu that you could get access to by dialing this special code in the keypad. Now I know network band selection 99% of people don't use, most of people don't even know about it. However, that 1% of people who were using it to get better network access in their specific areas will now miss it, will never get access to it forever in any Samsung smartphone. Which is really bad in my opinion, because this feature was present in Samsung phones, not only in Samsung phones, but it is an integral feature of Android itself, and Samsung has removed access to it. It still exists, but Samsung has removed the access to it. Similarly, since Android 11, Google has removed access to the Android data folder. Yes, I know you can still access it using a loophole, but from Android 13, Google will completely remove access to the Android data folder forever. Now I know you cannot avoid these types of behavior or manufacturer shenanigans forever, but if you are on a Samsung smartphone, you are in luck, because in this video I'll teach you how you can downgrade your Samsung smartphone or tablet to whatever previous version of Android you feel like. So basically in this video I'll teach you how you can roll back or downgrade the firmware of your Samsung smartphone or tablet to whatever previous version you feel like, whatever version you feel like provide you the best experience, the best features, or like overall whatever version you feel like that is present for your smartphone. And this tutorial is very easy and it does not void your warranty. This tutorial is also for those who have soft bricked their phones and is currently unusable and you want to bring the phone back to a fresh usable state. Trust me, I have used this process multiple times on my old Samsung devices, my Galaxy Tab 2 7.0, my Galaxy Note 3 Neo 7 SMN 750, and those tablets and phones, because whenever I used to tinker with multiple different custom ROMs, flashing different kernels and all that, if it caused any kind of issues, it bricked my phone or tablet, I used to use this method to roll back and restore working condition of my phone. So in this video, I'll downgrade my Galaxy Tab S6 Lite from Android 12 all the way down to Android 10. Now I also have my S20 5G, which I could also downgrade, but frankly I don't have any need to downgrade my Galaxy S20 5G, and also my S20 5G is my work phone and there is a ton of stuff set up from my company on my phone, which will be a big hassle to reset up and downgrade and all those things. So I want to avoid that for now. But I'm going to downgrade my Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and the steps is identical for any Samsung Galaxy smartphone or tablet. So don't worry about that. Also, my reasons to downgrade my Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is that since Android 12, Google has introduced phantom process killing beyond 32. So if there is background processes forked beyond 32, it will automatically kill all those background processes, and this has made applications like Termux and Tasker completely unusable in Android 12. I use Termux to emulate Linux on my Galaxy Tab, which is quite handy because it's got a big screen. You can write some code and you can utilize the tablet as a PC. I'm going to make a video on how to use a tablet as a PC by emulating Linux in the next video, but with Android 12 it kind of ruins the experience because of this phantom process killing. Google has accepted it, and Google has stated that they will fix this issue with Android 12L and Android 13, but those who will never get update to Android 12L or Android 13, you are screwed. So you can at least downgrade your tablet to Android 11 or Android 10 and utilize Termux back again. There is also a temporary fix to avoid this issue, but you have to apply this fix every 5-6 hours, which is kind of an annoyance. Alright, with that said, let's get straight to the video and let's start the tutorial. First step is to download the stock firmware of your phone. For this, go to samfirmware.com and search for your device. Then select your country, that's India in my case. And then you have a list of all the firmwares released for your device. In my case, I'll download the most up-to-date version of Android 10. After downloading the firmware, you have to download the flashing tool called ODIN. Alright, now that both the files are downloaded, I'll create a new folder and paste the files there to keep everything organized. Then unzip both the files and keep everything ready to go. Fun fact, do you know that ODIN is actually an official tool used internally by Samsung themselves? It just happened to get leaked many years ago. So I'll open ODIN and keep the unzipped firmware ready. Alright, before we begin the flashing process, be warned that ODIN will completely wipe your smartphone or tablet, so please back up your data or whatever internal data that you have. Alright, now you have to put your phone in download mode, and different phones or tablets have different methods. For my Tab S6 Lite, you have to turn it off and then hold the volume up and down buttons at the same time, and then plug the USB-C to connect it to the PC. And there you go, you can see a green screen like this, and then you have to press volume up to enable download mode. You will see ODIN notify you that your device has been added. Now go into ODIN options and make sure that auto reboot and F reset time is checked. Alright, now come back to the folder where you unzipped your firmware and notice the first few letters AP, BL, CSC and Home CSC. If you have a phone with mobile data support, then you will also find CP. So all you have to do is match the firmware prefixes and drag them to the designated location. Like starting with AP, drag the AP file to the location for AP. AP is the biggest file, so it takes the longest time, don't worry. Then drag BL file to BL. Again, if you have a phone or tablet with mobile data, you have to drag the CP file to the location for CP. Then finally we have CSC and Home CSC. Now as far as I know, Home CSC is generally used for small security updates and it preserves the data. But I have never used Home CSC file on any of my phones or tablets. So forget Home CSC and select the CSC file and drag it to the location for CSC. Again, if you have a phone or tablet with mobile data, you have to drag the CP file to the location for CP. Alright, now everything's in place. Make sure your phone or tablet is not disturbed while the flashing is in progress. You may break your device if your device gets disconnected. But don't worry, you can just start it again. Okay, now just press start. Now just wait and watch, and the time will depend on the specific device and also the firmware size. For me, it took just over 2 minutes. Unplug the device when ODIN shows pass. That's it. Just wait for the first boot, which will take longer than usual. For me, it took about 3 minutes. Okay, so now we are back to Android 10 on my Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. I'll just set it up and I'll show you that OTA updates also work like normal. Here I'm checking for software updates, and there you go. I've got the Android 11 update notification. So that's it. Alright, that was it. Now we have rolled back my Galaxy Tab S6 Lite from Android 12 all the way down to Android 10 in just a matter of minutes. It is a very simple process. I hope you were able to follow it. Do let me know if you are planning to downgrade your Samsung smartphone to whatever version that you feel like, or tablet, whatever. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe and turn on notifications so that you never miss whenever I upload a video. That's it, guys. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.